model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom L2 2.0 TDCi long MOT Euro 6 needs injectors. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119253. MOT, 4 June 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect on easy start. Runs with a slight spray of easy start, needs 1 or 2 injectors replacing. The engine is 100%, and when running it sounds fantastic. All thoroughly checked by Ford mechanics. This is a simple, straightforward, injectors replacement job for a very clean long wheelbase custom. Comes with a very high quality professionally fitted 230 volts inverter setup with split charging system integrated.